So my dad was tired of digging through drawers and just random bins trying to find the right screwdriver or pair of pliers. So when the brand offered to send these over in exchange for this video, I jumped on it because this wall-mounted organizer totally fixed my dad's problem. It comes in a two-piece set and has spots for up to 32 screwdrivers and 12 pliers, which really holds way more than we expected. The rack itself is heavy-duty steel, not that flimsy stuff, and it's powder-coated so it won't rust or chip over time. We also love that the holes are all different sizes, so everything from tiny precision screwdrivers to bigger tools actually fit without wobbling or falling out. Installation was super simple, just a few screws, and it was up on the wall in no time. He stuck his on this little cart that he is installing all of his tools on, but it would also be great in a shed or even a trailer setup. It seriously helps clear up all the cluttered workspace that he had, and now he can actually see what tools he has, and I'm able to find what I need instead of buying duplicates or losing things every other day. It's definitely one of those simple things that makes a huge difference. We love it. We hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.